If you're looking for a quick way to boost your cold outreach efforts, CrankWheel might just be the tool you're looking for. It's designed to help you engage potential customers faster and more effectively by allowing you to share your screen instantly without requiring them to download anything. But before you decide if it's right for your cold outreach strategy, let's break down how it works, its features, and why you might want to consider other options as well. First off, CrankWheel lets you instantly share your screen or a specific web page with prospects by a simple link. You don't need any technical skills, and your lead doesn't need to install any software. It's as simple as sending a link, and within seconds, your prospect is looking at your screen. This can significantly speed up the outreach process by eliminating barriers like waiting for downloads or dealing with complicated software setup. Next thing, CrankWheel also allows for interactive sessions where you can answer questions live, helping to engage your leads more directly. This is where CrankWheel really shines in the cold outreach process. Instead of sending a generic email or doing a one-sided sales pitch, you can immediately address concerns, give personalized demos, and establish a deeper connection. However, keep in mind that CrankWheel is primarily built for quick, short-term interactions. If you're looking for something that can build a long-term relationship, this might not be the most robust option. The third thing to consider is the user interface. It's clean and easy to use, but some users find that it lacks advanced features compared to other tools on the market. For example, it's not as feature-packed as software like Zoom or Microsoft Teams when it comes to in-depth collaboration or large meetings. If you're just looking to share your screen and get immediate attention, though, this may not be a deal breaker. However, for more complex sales pitches or long-term client engagement, CrankWheel might feel a little limiting. Another consideration is pricing. CrankWheel offers a free trial, which is great for testing the waters, but once the trial runs out, it can get quite pricey for smaller teams or solopreneurs. The pricing structure doesn't offer as much flexibility as other outreach tools, and if you're on a tight budget, you might want to explore alternatives that offer more affordable or scalable pricing models. The fourth thing is the lack of advanced analytics. While CrankWheel does a great job at providing real-time views and interactions, it doesn't provide in-depth analytics about your outreach effectiveness. Tools like Zoom or others in the space have better tracking features that let you analyze your performance and optimize your outreach strategies. If you rely heavily on data-driven decisions, CrankWheel might fall short in this department. So, what's the takeaway? CrankWheel is a solid tool for quick, impactful cold outreach sessions. It's simple, effective for short interactions, and easy to get started with. But if you're looking for more features, better pricing flexibility, or deeper analytics, there are some great alternatives out there. I've listed some of the top options below, each offering a free trial so you can explore what's best for your business. Through our exclusive link, you'll get access to CrankWheel's best free trial along with exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. But I've also added alternatives that may be a better fit for your outreach goals, with free trials so you can make a well-informed decision. So, if you want to get the best deal and make the most of your cold outreach efforts, don't forget to check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your outreach.